Damn! Is that a model or is it just BREE?
Put your hands up, got me now, I got mine. I don't know how it goes.
Welcome to episode 23. We're going to the beach today. Surprising. We never go to the beach. They have these aloe vera drinks here. They might have them in Wyoming on the mainland.
Yes, they are.
But they taste better in Hawaii.
No, they don't. This one's mango flavored. And then there's like little aloe vera chunks in it. It's really good.
So good.
Ain't gonna tear their ass up, simple as that.
So we're on our way up to the beach, and what beach were we even gonna go to? We didn't even know what beach we were gonna go to. We were just kind of driving around looking for a beach, but there's this big red barn looking place. It's like it's called the Hukilau market. If you've seen 50 First Dates, you've probably heard of the Hukilau Cafe. So I think it's named after that. But we're gonna check this place out. Should be pretty cool.
Let's do this.
There's tons of restaurants in here and food trucks and little shops. It's super cool. Look at all these foods. BREE didn't really like the hot dog, but I thought it was pretty good.
It's freaking good.
But I like greasy stuff, so
I don't.
it was greasy.
I only like this greasy boy right here.
Yeah, we come to Hawaii and eat hot dogs.
No, we don't. Wait.
What are we doing? So this Hukilau market is attached to the Polynesian Cultural Center. We're not going in, I don't think, but we're gonna walk around and check it out. So the Cultural Center was sick. The Hukilau Marketplace was sick. And we got some cookies.
And I got a coconut roll.
It's like
a cinnamon roll, but coconut flavor.
Now to the beach. BREE needs some new content for the gram. So we're gonna try and take some pics. She probably won't post them anyway, but
Yes, I will.
we'll take some, see what happens.
Vlog with this hideous eyesore on my head.
That's fine. See, doesn't our bun look good? It looks nice.
I can't see it.
Alright, well, we had a good beach day. We got school tomorrow, unfortunately. We were at the beach for like 30 minutes. It was a good day. Good, solid beach day. We're gonna go home.
We're gonna get mobbed.
And,
bye guys.
And we'll see you guys wherever we're off to next. There's no way of knowing. Okay.
Peace, y'all.
See ya. What's up, guys? It's just me today. BREE couldn't make it, but right now I'm going to pick up a new friend named Kevin. We're gonna go do a little hike, so should be a good time.
It's time to discover he likes to move, dance against the odds and feel his body groove. When there's nothing to say and the words just hide away.
What's up, guys? This is Kevin. We hooked up on Instagram. We're doing the Tantalus radio tower hike. It's pretty illegal, I think, but anything cool in Hawaii is illegal. So you guys gotta follow Kevin on Instagram. What's your at?
It's at Kev Littrell, Littrell.
All right, I'll put a title in there. So
Yeah.
he's got like 30,000 followers. This dude's famous practically. Yeah, give him a follow. He's got some sick content. We're trying to climb up this tower right here, but we gotta walk along this sketchy rail right here.
I say it's time to love, I say it's time to heal. We're not over, for real. I say it's time to love, I say it's time to heal. We're not over,
This is insane up here. It's a little sketchy getting up here, but unreal views. I just don't even know which direction to look in. It's all perfect. Alright, this was another fun and exciting week on the Haole vlog. Tonight, Bree and I are just gonna hang out. We had some pizza and we're gonna watch a movie. And yes, our Christmas tree is still up. We might just keep it here for the rest of the time, who knows. But yeah, thanks for watching. We'll be back next week. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We're almost to 300 subscribers, so help us get there. Alright. Bye. See you next week. Bye-bye.